Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. This video is for your reviewer para sa exam, no? So, dahil hindi ko na kayo na-meet ngayon, and Wednesday is review day na rin, so papanoorin niyo po ito ng Wednesday, no? So, para hopefully makatulong sa inyong exam. Okay, so ito po yung coverage ng exam natin. Nagre-record na ba? Ayan, sabi, nagre-record na to. Ayan, so coverage, test 1 is multiple choice. So yung mga topic doon ay about yung mga terms related to algebra, yung numerical coefficient, yan, mga leading coefficient, yung mga ganyan. No? So sa polynomial classification naman yun, monomial, binomial, trinomial, yung ganyan. And yung evaluating. So, test 2, completing the table, binawasan ng isang column, no? Tinanggal na yung column ng leading coefficients. Sa test 3, matching type siya. So, may choices. Yun nga lang po, huwag kayong magpapalito sa choices kasi may times na sa unang tingin, parehas lang yung ibig sabihin ng dalawa, pero ang totoo, magkaiba naman talaga, di ba? Lalo na yung mga may more than, less than, divides, yan. Then, evaluating algebraic expressions, yan, diretso, final answer dyan, ang alam ko, kagaya ng quiz nyo ngayon. Monday ngayon, kaya quiz nyo ngayon ang sabi ko. Then, test 5, translating real life situations. No? So, wala kayong makikitang table, final answer na rin agad ang tatype nyo dito. No? So, start na tayo ng ating konting review, no? So, ito yung mga examples ng problem or items na makikita nyo sa exam. No? Sample lang to, ibig sabihin hindi saktong yun ang inyong makikita. May nagchat-chat sa akin. Kahit Wednesday. May sakit daw si Elaine. Okay. So, for example, ayan, the numerical coefficients in the expression 5x squared plus 3x plus 2 are, ayan, so naka-enumerate kung ano-ano yung mga numbers na included sa expression. So, we have 2, 3, 5, and x. Basta dito i-analyze mo kung alin yung true sa statements. No? So, halimbawa, tama ba na yung 2 lang ang numerical coefficient? Diba? So, hindi. Sa taas po. Then, B, 1 and 2. So, ito yung 1, 2, at saka 3. Alam natin na ang 2 ay constant. This is a constant. Ang ingay dito. Yan, constant. And yung 5 and 3, no, may kasama silang variable. So, ibig sabihin, basta may kasamang variable, sila yung sinasabi ng numerical coefficients. No, so dito, kung 5 and 3 ang pinatutungkulan natin, tingnan niyo yung number ng 5 and 3. So, ang 5 and 3 ay numbers 2 and 3. Hanapin mo yung 2 and 3 sa choices. No, so, 1, 2, ayan. So, ito yung 2 and 3. Kaya, for this one, our answer is C. Okay? So, sa review to, dapat pag-flash ng question, i-pause nyo muna, then pag-isipan ninyo kung ano yung sagot ninyo. Then, kapag may sagot na kayo sa utak ninyo, saka nyo po ipa-play ulit. Okay. So, yan. Again, numerical coefficients, yung numbers na nasa unahan ng variables. Yan. So, next. A polynomial with 3 terms is called. Yan. So, choices natin, binomial, monomial, polynomial, trinomial. No? So, isa-isayin natin yung choices. Pag 1 term lang, this is monomial. No? So, 1 term. Palatandaan ninyo, walang plus or minus sign. Kapag naman binomial, 2 terms. Okay? So, kung may plus or minus sign yan, isa lang ang makikita mo. Isang operation. Operation, either plus or minus. So, sa trinomial, from the word itself, no, tri, mono 1, bi meaning 2, tri meaning 3. No, so, 3 terms. Okay? So, Dalawang operations to. Medyo pagpasensyahan nyo na dinig yung sa labas ng office. So, 2 operations, either plus or minus yan. Or pwedeng parehas plus, parehas minus. No? So, basta yun yung palatandaan ninyo. Dalawang operations. Then, pag polynomial, this one refers to polynomials with 4 terms and above. No, wala na siyang special name. 4 terms and above. So, polynomial with 3 terms, our answer is D. No? So, ang review natin, nilalagay ko na lang in terms of the choices. So, yan. Next. So, ito naman is kung yung nauna ay sa related terms. No? Ito din, related terms din. So, it can be a number, a letter, or a product of numbers and letters. No? So, ang daming terms dito, ang daming words. Isa-isahin natin. No? So, pag sinabi, ito kanina, na-discuss na natin to. No? So, numerical coefficient. Diba? It's the number part in a numerical factor, parang gano'n, no? Number part in an algebraic term, no? Pag algebraic term, pwede yung maging number, diba? Pwedeng maging letter. Ayan, ito yung sagot dito eh. Algebraic term. No, sa algebraic term, may 2 parts siya. Pwedeng numerical coefficient, pwedeng literal coefficient. Ito yung letter part. No, so kung halimbawa, ang algebraic term natin ay 2x squared, yung 2, ang numerical coefficient. Tapos yung x squared, yan, ito yung literal coefficient. Yan. No, so sa algebraic expression, yan yung mayroon ng actually, polynomial is an example of algebraic expression. So, halimbawa, nakakita ka na ng mas maraming terms. 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. Yan. So, algebraic expression na yan. Now, more than one term. Next. Yan. So, the question is, what is the leading coefficient? No? So, balikan natin yung classification based on the degree of the polynomial. No? So, pag sinabi kasing degree of polynomial, yun yung highest exponent or highest sum of exponents. No? So, kung dito, dahil isa lang naman yung ating letter, kung ano yung highest? No, yun yung ating degree of polynomial. So, dito ang degree of polynomial natin ay 5. DOP, degree of polynomial. Pero ang tinatanong kasi is the leading coefficient. So, ang leading coefficient mo is the number part of the term kung saan mo makikita yung degree of polynomial. So, since ang degree of polynomial natin ay 5, kung ano yung numerical coefficient nun, wala sa choices. Kung ano yung numerical coefficient nun, yun yung magiging leading coefficient natin. No, so ano yung numerical coefficient nito? May hidden 1 yan dyan. Siguro hindi lang to. Yan. So may hidden 1 yan dyan, kaya po ang sa choices natin, kunyari yung D ha, sorry. Wala kasi sa choices yung ating Ayan, so yan, D kunyari. Iniba yung choices para lang mag-sokay, no? Yan. Okay, so again, leading coefficient is the numerical coefficient of the term having the degree of the polynomial. Yan. So, next. So, ito, completing the table. Na-discuss na rin naman natin to dati, konting refresher na lang. No, so, i-pause nyo yung video, i-try nyo sagutan, then saka nyo i-play maya-maya. Ayan. So, i-try na nating sagutan. Check nyo po yung answers ninyo kung correct, no? So, for number 1, ayan, number of terms. So, dito sa number of terms, kung given naman yung classification, edi doon ka na bumatay, no? So, since ang classification niya ay monomial, mono meaning one term, ayan, no? So, kitang-kita naman, walang plus or minus sign. So, it's a monomial. Now, for the degree, ito yung medyo tricky, no? So, to get the degree of this term, you have to add all exponents. Yeah, so all exponents, we have hidden ones, no? So, may 1 to, 1 dito, may 1 din dito, ito din, at saka ito, no? So, its degree is 4. Next, for number 3, ayan, so given naman yung 2 at saka binomial, the degree, again, highest exponent, kung iisa lang naman ang variable. Kung maraming variables at nasa isang term sila, you have to add all exponents. So dito, ang highest exponent natin is 2. Okay? So kaya ang degree natin is 2. So ayun, that's the degree. Next, for number 4, we have x squared minus 11xy squared minus 3y squared. No? So, sa unang tingin, pwede mong i-conclude na ang degree is 2. But, you have to pay attention dun sa isa pang variable dito. No? So, kapag dalawa again, or marami yung variables natin, you have to add the exponents. May hidden one yan. Kaya po, ang degree niya is not 2, it's 3. No, so 1 plus 2 kasi yan. Then, classification, batay ka na lang dito. Kaya yan naging fill in the blanks or completing the table. No? Kasi may clue ka na. So, since you have 3 terms, this one is trinomial. Last, for number 6, our given is 400. No? So number of terms, bigay naman yung number of term, it's 1. No? So its classification is monomial. So tatandaan niyo lagi, pag ang given mo is a constant, the degree is 0. No? So laging 0 yan. Kung ang given mo man is a negative integer, wala namang variable na kasama, so its degree is 0. Yan. So this is test 3 na yata, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. No? So now let's proceed with test 4. So next natin will be, ito yung matching type natin, no? Pero ginawa ko siya na hindi matching type. Sulat yung sagot. Okay? Para po, kahit kasi may choices yan, kung hindi mo alam kung paano siya talaga ita-translate, malamang sa malamang yung mali pa rin na sagot ang iyong pipiliin. Okay, so pause nyo muna yung video, then try nyo po sagutan. Play nyo maya-maya. Okay, so reveal natin yung answers. For number 1, a number minus 3. So a number, basta hindi binanggit yung number, x na agad ang gamitin natin, no? For the sake of uniformity. No? So kung halimbawa may choices, hanapin mo yung similar sa magiging sagot mo, no? So a number minus 3 is x minus 3. Next, the difference of a and b. O yan, nabanggit naman. So ibig sabihin, a at b talaga ang ilagagamitin mo. So difference of a and b, and the a minus b. No, so minus and difference both are keywords for subtraction. Next. So, 3 divided by x, no? So, 3 divided by x, ganun din. 3 over x. We will use fractions, no? So, siguro kung itatype nyo siya, it's 3/x. Mamaya ko titingnan nyo, nagchat-chat ha. Kasi medyo ano. Yan. Then, the product of x and 3, dito, laging una yung number, no? Kasi multiplication siya. So, this one is 3x. Then, 3 more than x, this one is x. Basta may than ha, may makikita kayong than. Kung ano yung unang nabanggit sa dulo mo, isusulat. So, 3 plus, more di ba? Plus, x plus 3 yan. Then, twice a number. This is 2x. And thrice, the sum of a and b. So, sum of a and b muna tayo. It's a plus b. Then yung sagot dyan, yun daw yung ita-times sa 3. So, laging una yung number. So, 3. Yan. No? So, ganyan po natin siya susulat. Nung remaining minutes na ako, 3 minutes. Ayan. So, let's continue our review. Naubusan kasi tayo ng time kanina. So, we have here evaluating. No, so it's second to the last test type for your exam. Okay? So, pause the video. Try to answer each item first. Saka natin i-review yung answer. Okay, so reveal natin yung answer. Sana po tinry ninyong sagutan talaga ha. So for the first given, we have x plus 6 squared when x equals 6. So again, when we say evaluate, the first thing that you will do is to replace the variable. Replace variables. Pagka-replace mo ng variables, you have to make sure that you preserve the operation. So kung ano mang operation ng given, yun pa rin ang operation. Then you will perform PEMDAS. No? So P stands for the parentheses, E stands for exponent, M for multiply, D for divide, A for add, and S for subtract. No? So pag naman po multiply, divide na lang natira, work left to right. And kapag add, subtract na lang natira, work left to right ka din. No? So, baka kasi magkamali po. Integer addition and subtraction pa rin ang mangyayari. Same with integer multiplication division. So, for the first one, x plus 6 raised to the second power. Nagre-record lang po. When x equals 6. So, replace the variables, we will have and rewrite ko lang. So, magiging 6 plus 6 squared. So, applying PEMDAS, parenthesis muna. So, inside the parenthesis, we have the operation 6 plus 6. So, this will become 12 squared. No, so, kung 12 squared siya, 12 times 12 ang ibig sabihin nun, hindi 12 times 2. So, 12 squared is equal to 144. Next, so we have 2 times x, 2x plus 8 over 7y. Replacing the variables, we will have 2 times 10 plus 8 over 7, then y is negative 1. So 7 times negative 1. Ayan. Okay, so 2 times 10 is 20 plus 8. Over 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Then 20 plus 8 is 28 over 7. Pag ganyan, divide na lang yan. So it's negative 4. Then for the last item, we have x squared. No, so x is equal to 5, sabi. So it's 5 squared minus 20 times 5 plus 80. Okay, so PEMDAS, yung parenthesis naman natin dito means multiply. Pwede naman tayo mag-multiply. So exponent natin, 5 squared, this is 5 times 5. 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. Ito ay 144. No, so yan. So 25 minus 20 times 5, or kung halimbawa, pwede mong isipin na negative 20 times 5. So it's negative 100. Ayan, or minus 100 dahil meron tayong number sa unahan. Then bring down 80. Then working left to right, 25 minus 100, this is negative 75. Okay, then negative 75 plus 80 is positive 5. Okay, yan. So, last test type natin will be representing real life situations, no? So, ito yung mga problems natin. Unahin natin si Gino. O, try nyo po munang answeran to, then reveal natin yung answer maya-maya. Okay, so reveal natin yung answer. Sabi dito, Gino bought 12 cupcakes for Valentine's Day. He ate some of the cupcakes. How will you represent the number of cupcakes left? No, so kung gagawa kayo ng table, pwede rin naman. No, so kung gagawa tayo ng table, syempre yung matitira ay nakabatay sa kung ilan yung kinain ni Gino. Diba? Ayan. So, yung 12 cupcakes, syempre yun yung kabuuan, mababawasan siya ng kung ilan man yung kakainin ni Gino. So, kung halimbawa ay 5 yung kinain ni Gino, ang matitira ay 7. Kung halimbawa ang kinain ni Gino ay 2, ang matitira ay 10. No, so ang nag-iiba-iba ay yung bilang ng kinain ni Gino. So ibig sabihin, yun yung ating i-represent as the variable. No? So yung sum of the cupcakes yan. Ito yung variable natin. So yung 12 cupcakes minus x, at yun na po yung ating magiging representation. Okay, so kung ito table naman natin, pwedeng ganitong magiging itsura niyan. No, so 12 dito, ito yung number of cupcakes. Cupcakes yan. Tapos Gino 8. Number of cupcakes, Gino 8. No, halimbawa 5, 7 ang matitira. 12 cupcakes, halimbawa 2 kinain, 10 matitira. No, so para makuha to, yan, no, we subtract yung number of cupcakes from 12. No, kaya ito magiging 12 minus x. Okay, kung kaya ng final answer na lang, good. Kung hindi pa kaya, edi gumamit ng table. Last. Cathy owns a teddy bear making factory. Last week, they sold only 1/4 of the total bears they produced that week. What expression represents the number of bears they sold? O, try nyo muna sagutan. Pause nyo muna yung video bago natin i-reveal yung sagot. Nung pinagpapawisan nga ng malamig. Game. Yan. So, for this one naman, halimbawa, mayroong 20 bears na na-produce si Cathy. 1/4 daw nun ang kanyang nabenta. So, ilan yung nabenta niya? Yan. So, ang nabenta niya, kunyari, ay 5. Yan. Ilalagay ko yung ano natin. So, halimbawa, 100 ang bears na nagawa. Ang nabenta lang ay 25. Yan. Halimbawa, 4 lang yung bears na nagawa. Ang nabenta niya lang ay 1. Okay? So, ito yung column ng bears produced. No? Then, ito yung bears sold. No? So, sabi dito, 1/4 daw ng total bears. So, ano kaya yung gagawin natin sa 20 at 1/4, sa 100 at 1/4, at sa 4 at 1/4 para lumabas yung 25 at 1. No? So, yun yung medyo tricky part dito. So, kung halimbawa, kung inad natin, syempre hindi naman 5. Kung ito ay subtract, syempre hindi rin 5 lalabas dyan kasi dapat may fraction na lalabas. No? So kung multiply naman, 20 times 1 is 20 divided by 4, no, 5 nga naman ang lalabas. No? So ibig sabihin, we will multiply the 2. And dahil, ayan, i-multiply, no? Multiply. Okay? Pero dahil po, ito yung constant natin at ito yung nagbabago, ito yung i-represent natin ng variable. Yan. Okay? So, gawin ko na lang tuldok yung multiplication ha, para hindi tayo nalilito. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, pag minultiply natin to, tatandaan, laging una si number kaysa kay letter. Kaya yung bears sold natin will be 1/4 x. So yun, hopefully makatulong sa exam.